Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling power, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait 5 minutes so airbags and modules reset. Next, remove the center console trim and radio bezel, use a plastic trim tool to prevent scratches, and a Phillips for screws. Take out the glove box fasteners, keep panels organized. Once done, photograph each step and place screws in labeled containers, because reassembly depends on knowing which fastener goes where and why each panel came off in that order. You now focus on the instrument cluster removal. First, remove bezel screws and carefully pry the bezel. Plastic clips are fragile, so use controlled force. Then unbolt the cluster, typically 3 or 4 screws, and tilt it forward enough to reach the wiring connectors. Depress the connector tabs and slide the harness out. Don't yank the wires. Once free, remove the cluster and set it on a soft cloth to avoid scratching the lens, because damage here can complicate calibration later. You're at the final stage. Remove A-pillar trim and lower kick panels, then unbolt HVAC ducts and any remaining braces. Support the dash with a helper and a padded floor jack under a wood block. This prevents bending. Gradually unbolt the dash mounts while one person holds weight. Once mounts are free, tilt the dash forward, disconnect remaining harnesses and HVAC adapters, and lift clear. If clips or harnesses resist, stop and inspect. Forcing parts causes breakage. Troubleshooting tip: if fan doesn't run after reassembly, recheck HVAC connector seating and fuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.